Quick cuts, always sloppy. Detailed cuts, too hard to set up. Ordinary table saws, big costs and zero portability. Here's a better idea, a workshop that's portable. It's the all-new Rockwell Blade Runner X2, the go-anywhere, cut-anything compact table saw. It's lighter weight than the original Blade Runner, but has more cutting capacity for wood, metal, plastic, and even tile. With blades on board and blade changes in less than 3 seconds, Blade Runner X2 will slice your work time, delivering professional results lightning fast. Plus, you can control the cut with 2 hands for amazing accuracy and connect a vacuum for mess-free cuts. The all-new Blade Runner X2. Anytime, any place. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get your Blade Runner X2 today.
How many times have you dreamed about improving your home with custom touches that fit who you are and reflect how you live? You may have seen ideas you love in friends' homes, on DIY shows, and on the web, but put your dreams on hold, thinking it costs too much to hire a carpenter, or it's too hard to do yourself and get professional results. Well, now you can create the custom home projects you've always dreamed of and do it yourself, quickly, easily, and economically with the Craig DIY Project Kit.
The Craig Rip Cut, the R3 Craig Jig, and the Craig Shelf Pin Jig.
The tools in the Craig DIY Project Kit make it possible for anyone to build successfully, even first-timers, because the Craig DIY Project Kit turns ordinary power tools into easy-to-use, precision building tools. The Craig DIY Project Kit starts with the Rip Cut. It attaches to almost any circular saw and lets you safely and accurately cut plywood and other sheet materials without having to measure or follow marks as you cut. When you're ready to assemble your pieces, the R3 Craig Jig will quickly and easily create strong joints. Just drill a pocket hole in one of the pieces. The jig positions it perfectly every time, and then drive in a Craig self-tapping screw. It pulls the pieces together to create a strong joint. And finally, the Craig Shelf Pin Jig lets you add shelves and customize them with ease. You can make them adjustable so you can position the shelves exactly where you want them.
The Shelf Pin Jig lets you add holes for shelf pins easily and accurately. You get perfect hole spacing and depth every time for shelves that are level and won't wobble on a new project, or easily added to a piece of furniture you already own.
Tired of living in a disorganized house? Found an organizer online or in a magazine that you really like but it just costs too much? Can't afford to have a carpenter build it, or you just don't have the know-how to create it for yourself? Well, now for the first time ever, Craig is proud to introduce the Craig DIY Project Kit, designed to let you build high-quality wood projects faster, smarter, better, just like the pros, while saving you money, even if you're a first-timer. Now you can discover the pride and joy of building with wood to create your dream projects. Build a closet organizer for your bedroom, a storage system for your garage. Even create this gorgeous entryway organizer. There are hundreds of uses for the Craig DIY Project Kit that can save you thousands of dollars as you custom build your own projects. The Craig DIY Project Kit also comes complete with drill bits, stop collars, Allen wrenches, square head bit driver, a starter kit of self-tapping screws, wood plugs, and shelf pins. Everything you need to get started on your dream project. We'll also include 10 easy-to-follow downloadable project plans for a bookcase, a table, a desk, a kitchen cart, and more.
Do you want to have fun working with wood? You want to build incredible home improvement projects? Well, you can do it with the Craig DIY Project Kit. Even if you're a beginner, Craig takes you through the process step by step. You'll learn how to build faster, smarter, and better, plus get the satisfaction of a job well done. Even more exciting, the Craig DIY Project Kit can save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. And it may pay for itself the first time you use it. So get building and turn your dreams of a beautiful, more enjoyable home into a reality with the power and efficiency of the Craig DIY Project Kit, only from Craig Tool.
Angle clamps are the perfect solution when you need to hold two pieces perpendicular to each other during assembly. And Bessey's WS3 offers market-beating capacity and flexibility in this category. The package contains the angle clamp itself and a pair of table mount clamps specifically designed for this system. A soft plastic block is provided for snugging the jaws when the clamp's not in use, and the jaw opens and closes quickly and efficiently using the 2K ergonomic handle. The table clamps hold the body firmly on the edge of your bench, while still allowing the jaw to move freely. No tools are needed for securing your WS3 for bench work. The die-cast body of the clamp is plastic coated, providing a solid grip without marring the parts. This makes clamping miters particularly easy. The clamp can be snugged up, the parts adjusted, and then firmly clamped once they're in place. The result is perfect gap-free miter joints. A set of blocks made to the same thickness as the clamp body help to support longer parts for clamping. The faces of the clamp are precision die cast to exactly 90 degrees. Parts are actually moved into alignment during the clamping process as you apply pressure. The angle clamp is perfectly capable of managing tall parts standing on edge as well. And it's not restricted to clamping only corners. The back edge of the clamp is open, allowing parts up to 1 1/8 thick to pass by, creating T-joints. Holding the joint firmly until the glue dries, until you nail it closed, or while you drill and screw it all together. The WS3 is perfectly capable of assembling both corner and T-joints from parts of different thicknesses, heights, and even profiles. This is particularly useful for assembling door and window frames. While the clamp allows for T-joints up to 1 1/8 thick, miter and corner joints, where the parts don't have to bypass the back side of the clamp, can be made with much wider stock, up to 2 1/8 inches thick. This is perfect for quick and accurate face frames or similar assemblies. The WS3 is excellent for cabinet work as well, holding parts tightly together during assembly or squaring up the cabinet when adding the back. Picture frames, door frames, window frames, face frames, or even cabinet work, the WS3 angle clamp from Bessey will be an invaluable addition to your shop.